Do you ever wonder if there's a simpler way to manage your family's finances, to not just save for tomorrow, but to actively grow wealth for generations to come, all without the overwhelming complexity that investing often presents? For many families, the answer to that question is a resounding yes. We're juggling careers, raising kids, trying to squeeze in some semblance of a personal life, and then there's the monumental task of financial planning. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. Traditional investing, with its endless array of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and complex brokerage accounts, can feel like a labyrinth designed only for seasoned financial professionals. For families who are new to investing or simply short on time, this can be a huge barrier. You know you should be investing, you understand the power of compound interest, and you dream of setting your children up for a financially secure future. But where do you even begin? How do you demystify the jargon, navigate the fees, and build a portfolio that truly makes sense for your unique family dynamic? This is where platforms like Acorns enter the conversation, promising to simplify investing, make it accessible, and even fun, through their unique roundup feature and family-focused accounts. But is it too good to be true? Can a micro-investing app truly be a powerful tool for long-term family wealth building? That's the big question we're diving into today. We're going to explore what Acorns offers specifically for families, breaking down its benefits and drawbacks. We'll look at the Acorns Early account, designed for kids, and how it fits into a broader family financial strategy. We'll talk about the fees, the investment philosophy, and ultimately, help you decide if Acorns is a good fit for your family's financial journey. So, grab a cup of coffee, maybe even rally the family around, because we're about to unpack whether investing with Acorns as a family is a smart move. First, let's talk about the core concept of Acorns and why it appeals to so many. At its heart, Acorns is a robo-advisor that aims to make investing effortless. Its most famous feature is roundups. Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns rounds up that purchase to the nearest dollar, in this case, $4, and invests the extra 50 cents for you. These small, seemingly insignificant amounts accumulate over time, turning your everyday spending into passive investing. It's a brilliant psychological trick, making investing feel less like a chore and more like an invisible savings mechanism. For families, this is particularly appealing because it automates a process that often gets pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. With multiple expenses and varying incomes, the idea of consistently setting aside money for investment can be daunting. Roundups bypass this mental hurdle. Beyond Roundups, Acorns also allows for recurring investments, so you can set up a weekly or monthly transfer of a fixed amount into your investment account. This combination of passive roundups and active recurring contributions creates a powerful dual strategy for consistent growth. Now, let's zoom in on the family aspect, specifically the Acorns Early account. This is where Acorns really distinguishes itself for families. Acorns Early is essentially a Uniform Gifts to Minors Act, UGMA, or Uniform Transfers to Minors Act, UTMA, custodial account. What does that mouthful mean? It means you, as the parent or guardian, control the account until your child reaches the age of majority, which is typically 18 or 21, depending on your state. At that point, the assets in the account legally transfer to the child. This is a significant difference from a 529 college savings plan, for example. While 529s are specifically designed for educational expenses and offer tax benefits, their funds are restricted. UGMA/UTMA accounts, on the other hand, offer much more flexibility. The money can be used for anything that benefits the child: college, a down payment on a house, starting a business, or even just a significant life expense. This flexibility can be a huge plus for families who want to save for their children's future but don't want to be locked into solely educational purposes. Think about it, financial goals for children aren't always just about college. Maybe your child dreams of becoming an entrepreneur, or perhaps they'll receive scholarships that cover their tuition. An Acorns Early account provides a safety net and a launching pad for whatever path they choose. You can also open multiple Acorns Early accounts for each child in your family, all under the same Acorns Gold subscription, which is a nice perk. One of the most valuable aspects of Acorns Early, beyond the investment itself, is the built-in financial literacy. The app often includes age-appropriate lessons and tools to help kids understand money, saving, and investing. Imagine your child seeing their spare change grow over time, understanding the concept of compounding interest from a young age. This hands-on, visual learning can be incredibly impactful in shaping their financial habits for life. In a world where financial education is often lacking in traditional schooling, a tool like Acorns Early can be an excellent supplement for teaching practical money management. Some plans even offer a debit card for kids with smart spending controls, which further aids in teaching them about budgeting and responsible spending. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: fees. Acorns operates on a flat monthly subscription model, not a percentage of assets under management, AUM, like many other robo-advisors. For families, especially those just starting with smaller balances, this can be a double-edged sword. Acorns offers different pricing tiers. The Acorns Gold Plan, which is typically $12 per month, gives you access to the full suite of features, including Acorns Invest, your personal investment account, Acorns Later, a retirement account, like an IRA, Acorns Checking, a banking account, and of course, Acorns Early for your kids. Let's do some quick math. $12 per month adds up to $144 per year. If you have a small balance, say $1,000 across all your family's accounts, that $144 effectively translates to a 14.4% annual fee on that amount. That's extremely high. Most traditional robo-advisors charge around 0.25% of AUM annually. So, on $1,000, that would be just $2.50 per year. However, as your account balances grow, Acorns' flat fee becomes more competitive. If you have $10,000 invested, $144 per year is a 1.44% fee. At $50,000, it's 0.288%. And once you get into higher balances, it can even become cheaper than a percentage-based fee. The break-even point where Acorns' flat fee becomes comparable to or better than a 0.25% AUM fee is generally around $57,600, $144/0.0025. So, for families with significant assets, the flat fee can be advantageous. For those just starting out, it's a cost to consider carefully. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.